There are 10 characteristics of cancer cells that allow tumors to develop and spread, which are distinct from healthy cell function. The first hallmark of cancer refers to when cancer cells don't stop growing even when they should. They create their own signals or become hypersensitive to existing ones. Healthy cells need external signals to grow. Secondly, cancer cells evade tumor growth suppressors. Typically, proteins stop cells from dividing when they are damaged. Cancer cells find ways to ignore these signals and continue to divide rapidly. Third, cancer cells avoid immune destruction by developing mechanisms to hide from the body's immune system, making it harder to fight them off, like wearing an invisible cloak. Subscribe and stay tuned for the deadliest hallmark of cancer. Number 4. Cancer cells can divide indefinitely. Healthy cells can only divide so many times before they stop. Cancer cells turn on an enzyme called telomerase, which prevents their chromosomes from shortening and lets them divide forever. The fifth hallmark relates to inflammation. Chronic inflammation can encourage tumor growth by providing growth factors and increasing tumor blood flow. Cancer cells take advantage of this and encourage inflammation around the tumor while using the body's own defense systems to help them thrive. This next hallmark of cancer is one of the deadliest. Cancer cells can spread from their primary origin to other parts of the body, invading new organs, muscles, and bones, making it much harder or impossible to treat. Coming in at number 7 is angiogenesis. This refers to the creation of new blood vessels. Cancers need nutrients to grow, so they send out signals to stimulate the formation of more blood vessels just for them to survive off of. Before cells become cancerous, they undergo many mutations which accumulate quickly. This genome instability gives cancer cells an advantage, allowing them to adapt, survive, and mutate at a much faster rate than healthy cells. Number 9 explains how cancer cells can cheat death, sometimes indefinitely. Normally, when cells are damaged, they self-destruct through a process called apoptosis. Cancer cells, however, block this process and survive when they should have been destroyed. For the final hallmark, cancer cells change how they produce energy. They rely more on fermentation or lactate than regular cells, even when oxygen is available. This is known as the Warburg effect.